Before we begin, I want you to think about someone who hurt you, someone who misunderstood you, or maybe someone who does not like you at all. Now let me ask you a question. How do you feel about that person? Do you feel anger? Do you feel hate? Or can you choose something different? Welcome, everyone. I hope you are having a peaceful day. In this video, you are not just going to learn English. You are going to learn a powerful life lesson, how to stay kind even when others are not. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and at the same time help you build a strong and peaceful mindset. Today's message is simple but very powerful. Extend your hand of friendship even to those who hate you. This is not easy. In fact, this is one of the hardest things to do in life. When someone hurts us, our natural reaction is to hurt them back. When someone hates us, we feel like hating them too. But think about this. If you respond to hate with hate, what happens? The problem grows. The pain becomes bigger. But if you respond with kindness, something changes. Kindness has power. Let's understand this with a simple idea. Anger is like fire. If you add more fire, it becomes bigger. But kindness is like water. It slowly reduces the fire. Now let's practice some English sentences. Repeat after me. I choose kindness. I stay calm. I don't hate others. I respect everyone. Very good. Being kind does not mean you are weak. It means you are strong enough to control your emotions. Anyone can be angry. Anyone can hate. But only strong people can forgive. Let me give you a simple real-life situation. Imagine someone speaks badly about you. You have two choices. You can react with anger, or you can stay calm and ignore it. If you react with anger, the situation becomes worse. But if you stay calm, you protect your peace. Peace is more valuable than winning an argument. Now repeat this. My peace is important. I control my emotions. I don't react to negativity. Excellent. Let's go deeper. When you hold anger inside, it does not hurt the other person. It hurts you. It affects your mind. It affects your health. It steals your happiness. So forgiving others is not for them, it is for you. It is a way of freeing yourself. Now think about this. A strong person is not someone who fights back. A strong person is someone who can stay calm even when others try to hurt them. That is true strength. Let's practice again. I forgive easily. I stay positive. I let go of anger. I choose peace. Very good. This does not mean you trust everyone. This does not mean you accept bad behavior. It means you protect your mind. It means you don't allow negativity to control you. Sometimes the best response is silence. Sometimes the best response is kindness. Now take a deep breath and think about someone you don't like. Can you forgive them? Can you let go of that anger? You don't have to do it immediately, but you can start today. Even a small step matters. Remember this. Hate creates more hate, but kindness creates change. Now repeat after me. I choose love over hate. I am calm and strong. I build peace in my life. Excellent. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. Your strength is not in how you fight, but in how you control yourself. So be kind, be calm, be strong, keep learning English, keep building a peaceful mind, and keep moving forward in life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.